Welcome to English in a Minute. A grid is a set of lines that cross each other to make squares, like on a map or a piece of paper.
Off the grid.
Sometimes I feel like I should leave the city and just live off the grid.
I know what you mean. Life with no phones, no running water, no electricity, just at peace in nature.
Wait, no electricity? How would I see the next season of Apartment of Cards?
To be off the grid means to be in a place far away from services most people use every day. People who live off the grid do not use devices powered by electricity and often grow their own food. And that's English in a Minute.